spread of feral cats and its consequences have been a disaster for planet Earth. Last month, I was at a Burger King in North Carolina. It was a rural area surrounded by tall forests and grass. While I was in the Burger King, I looked outside the windows and was horrified to see more than a dozen cats all lounging around the parking lot. After I returned to my automobile, about 3 cats followed me and circled the automobile, eyeing me through the window. As I sat in my seat, fearing for my safety, I wondered why these destroyers of nature were allowed to run rampant at a nationally recognized fast food establishment. I came to the conclusion that not everybody recognizes that feral cats need to be dealt with. That is a matter I hope to resolve in this address. Cats destroy the environment. They kill plants. They take food from native species. According to the American Bird Conservatory, cats kill up to 4 billion birds a year, and from anywhere from 6 to 22 billion mammals every year in the U.S. alone. The Stevens Island wren, a species of wren formerly found on one island in New Zealand, was made entirely extinct by one cat named Tibbles in 1894, who was there to keep a lighthouse keeper company. Cats kill animals that eat insects, thereby worsening the effects of malaria, Zika, and Lyme's disease. One of the worst famines in modern history, the Great Famine of China, was caused when Mao Zedong decided to try to kill all the sparrows in China because he thought they were pests. However, killing hundreds of millions of sparrows resulted in one of the greatest locust swarms in modern history, which killed up to 45 million Chinese people due to the resulting famine. Cats kill more birds than the Chinese could have dreamed of and will create similar ecological disasters if left unchecked. In killing birds, cats kill humans. According to the CDC, cats spread at least 15 diseases and tapeworms. Cats will spread diseases to humans and to pets. Cats can taint water sources and soil with diseases as well. Cats spread toxoplasmosis, a brain-damaging sickness that affects mental behavior. It has just been learnt, or just been discovered, by various research groups that cats can not only contract COVID-19, but can spread it to other cats and to humans through respiratory droplets. Feral cats need to be eradicated. Feral cats are fed and supported by irrational humanitarian efforts. Feral cats are an issue created by human hands and thus can only be solved by human hands. According to the Smithsonian Magazine, Americans own 86 million cats, enough for 1 cat in every 3 households. Devoting resources towards caring for cats just allows them to thrive. For the colonies to die out, we must let the cats themselves die out. It is the only lasting solution that can actually work. Neutering efforts are made useless by abandoned, non-neutered cats. No matter how many cats are sterilized, there will always be stray cats that elude the system. There will always be new cats abandoned by their owners. A few breeding cats is all it takes for a feral colony to return to full strength. If given a shred of mercy, they will repopulate faster in the blink of an eye. The solution must be absolute, thorough, and final. Euthanasia is the quickest way of decreasing this pertinent problem. If a weed only has its leaves ripped off, it will quickly regrow. But if the weed is pulled up with its roots removed from the earth, the weed will be permanently dealt with. Neutering and treating cats is a temporary solution, like a band-aid, but simply euthanizing the cats is the final solution. This is a pertinent problem that will destroy our natural world if not quickly corrected. The future of the free world's biodiversity depends on mankind's swift and harsh solution to this issue. Cutting down the population will only lead to regrowth. They must be uprooted, cast into the flames, and scattered like chaff on the wind.